Good morning everyone, my name is Roman Shahrawat. I am a student of BMS BAT 2023 from Sri Babu Singh Jaising Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Farrukhabad. Today my topic is ECG, electrocardiogram. It is a graphical representation of an electrical activity of the heart. It contains a 5-wave PQRST. If we are talking about the P wave, it is a first positive wave. Its normal amplitude is 0.25 mV and normal duration is 0.1 second. Then we are talking about the Q wave. It is a first negative wave and it is the smaller wave and it is normally absent in the lead 1 and V1 and V2. Its normal amplitude is 0.1 to 0.2 seconds. Then we are talking about the R wave. R wave is a positive wave and normally it is larger in lead second and then smaller in V6 than V5. We are talking about S wave. S wave is the negative wave and it is normally V1 larger in V1 and larger in V2, then gradually small from the V3 to V6. Then we are talking about the T wave. It is normal amplitude is 0.3 mV and normal duration is 0.2 seconds. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Anisha Tali from BMS Batch 2023. My topic is cardiac cycle. The cyclical repetition of various coordinated events, electrical events as well as mechanical events in heart from beat to beat is called cardiac cycle. There are 8 phases of cardiac cycle: isovolumetric contraction, phase of rapid ejection, phase of reduced ejection, protodiastole, isovolumetric relaxation, phase of rapid filling, phase of reduced filling, and last phase. In isovolumetric contraction, the volume of the ventricle remains same. When the intraventricular pressure reaches up to 80 mmHg, the AV walls close firmly and sharply, which produces the first heart sound. In phase of rapid ejection, the blood from the ventricle is ejected out very rapidly, and in reduced ejection, the quantity of blood slows down as compared to the rapid ejection. In protodiastole, it is the first stage of ventricular diastole. In this, during the closure of semilunar wall, the second heart sound is produced. In rapid filling phase, the blood is ejected. The blood is filled into the ventricle very rapidly. About 70% of the filling takes place in this phase. In reduced filling phase, about 20% of the filling takes place, and in last filling phase, a small amount of the blood is left out, which is pushed into the ventricle. About 10% of the filling takes place in this phase. Thank you everyone.
Good morning everyone. Myself Rajiv Verma from BMS 2023 and my topic is mechanism of urine formation. In this process, the cleaning of blood takes place. It involves 3 processes: glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, and tubular secretion. In glomerular filtration, the blood filters by passing through glomerular capillary. In this, 170 liter per day blood filter, and then tubular reabsorption. In this, blood concentrated, acidified, and converted into 1.5 liter per day. In PCT, amino acids and glucose reabsorbed. In TCT, sodium and chlorine reabsorbed, and glucose and bicarbonates reabsorbed. In tubular secretion, in this, the secretion of para-aminoglycolic acids and amino derivatives passes through lumen and peritubular capillaries. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Ikshita. I am from 23 batch. My topic is रक्त धातु. रक्त धातु की उत्पत्ति. रसादर तत्व मांसम प्रजायते. रक्त धातु से रक्त धातु की उत्पत्ति होती है. इसका स्थान है आमाशयम, रंजकम, रसरंजदार. आचार्य वाग्मन में इसका स्थान आमाशय बताया है. इसका पंचभौतिक संगठन रक्त धातु में अग्नि की प्रधानता होती है. स्रोतस रक्तद्वय दैवमूलम यकृत विहानो रसवाहिन्यश्च धमनिया. आचार्य सुश्रुत ने इसका मूल स्थान यकृत पीढ़ा एवं रसवाहिन्य धमनी बताया है. कार्य रक्त वर्ण प्रसाद मांस पुष्टि जीवन्य. आचार्य सुश्रुत ने पुनः इसका उल्लेख करते हुए बताया है कि इसका जो रक्त वर्ण प्रसादन है और यह मांस पुष्टि, रक्त धातु पोषण और जीवन प्रदान करता है.
Good morning everyone. I am Vidya Prakash Yadav, BMS 2023. My topic is सुप्रसाद पुरुष. सुप्रसाद पुरुष का वर्णन करते हुए आचार्य चरक ने विमान स्थान 8 में बताया है. सौम्य प्रश्यस्य इव चीर्भोजन इव प्रहसपत्र स्निग्ध मुक्त संसारस्य दर्शनं दर्शना प्रसन्न स्निग्ध वर्णस्वरा जिष्णु महास्य सुप्रसाद. ते स्त्री बलवंत और इनका जीवन काल जो होता है वो सुख ऐश्वर्य आरोग्य और वित्त से भरा होता है और ये अधिक संतान वाले होते हैं।
Good morning everyone. My name is Vivek Kumar Yadav. My topic is रक्त सातपुरुष, कर्ण, अक्षी, मुख, जीवा, नासा, ओष्ठ, पाणिपाद, तल, नख, ललाट, मेहनम, स्निग्ध रक्त वर्णम, श्रीमद्भाजिष्णु, रक्त सारणम, ससाता, सुख, उद्रिक्तता, मेधा, मानसिकतम, सुकुमारता, अनतिबलम, क्लेशम सहित्वम, उष्णता असहित्वम, चेष्टा। आचार्य ने इसके बारे में बताया है कि कान, अक्षी, आंख, मुख, जीवा, नासा, ओष्ठ, पैर, हाथ का तल का हृदय, ये सब रक्त वर्ण का होता है। और ना ये उदंडता होते हैं, मेधा होते हैं, और ना ये क्लेश सहने वाले होते हैं, और अनतिबलम होते हैं। अनतिबलम ऐसे पुरुष को रक्त सातपुरुष कहते हैं।
Hello everyone, a very good morning. My name is Prachi Pandey from batch 2023. My topic is mechanism of respiration. Mechanism of respiration involves the muscles, diaphragm, intercostal muscles, motion of the ribs and the accessory muscles. In diaphragm, when the inspiration takes place, the movement of the diaphragm, the central tendon moves downward about 1.5 centimeter and it increases anterior-posteriorly. The chest area. In intercostal muscles, it's always happened when we quite inspired or forcefully inspire or expires. At that time, the intercostal muscles area also increases anterior-posteriorly. Now the motion of the ribs. Motion of ribs includes the two motions, that is the bucket handle motion and the pump handle movement. Bucket handle motion, the ribs takes place at the 7 to 10 ribs, and in the pump handle motion, the ribs take place at the 2 to 6 ribs. Now the accessory muscles sometimes our stomach muscle, that is the platysma, also takes place whilst the forceful expiration.
Good morning everyone, myself is Subhi Bhatta from batch 2023. My topic is शुक्र धातु। शुक्र धातु की उत्पत्ति करते हुए आचार्य सुश्रुत ने बोला है मज्जन के शुक्र मुक्त जाते। शुक्र धातु की उत्पत्ति जो है मज्जन धातु से बताई गई है, और आचार्य सुश्रुत ने शुक्र धातु के कर्ण को लेकर करते हुए बोला है शुक्र धैर्य चैन पीति देवलम हर्ष बीजाकुम चा। शुक्र धातु है वो हर्ष, प्रीति, देवल, चयनम एवं गर्भोत्पत्ति के लिए, स्पर्म आदि कर्मों के लिए उत्तरदायी रहता है। और शुक्र धातु की स्थान जो है उस आचार्य सुश्रुत ने बोला है सबके शुक्रधाराम या सर्वकारिणाम सर्वसारी व्यापी। और आचार्य सुश्रुत ने शुक्र धातु का सभी प्राणियों के सबको
My name is Shikhar Chhil. I am a student of batch 2023 and my topic is कफ दोषों। कफ 5 प्रकार के होते हैं। पहला अवलंबन, वेदक, बोधक, बंधक और श्लेष। पहले बात करेंगे अवलंबन कफ की, जिसका श्लोक है त्रिक संसार संधान स्थान। और दूसरा है हमारा वेदक कफ, जिसका श्लोक है अमाशय से अन्न संगाता श्लेषनाथ वेदका। तीसरा है बोधक कफ, जिसका श्लोक है रस बोधनाथ रचना स्थान। और चौथा है हमारा तर्पक, जिसका श्लोक है सिरसस्थो अक्षर प्रांतर। पांचवा हमारे देशक, जिसका श्लोक है संधि संश्लेष अश्लेष का संधि से।
Good morning everyone, myself is Rohit from BMS First Prof. Today I got the topic clotting factor in project, so I submit this project and now I tell you about clotting factor. At first, what is clotting factor? Clotting factor are factor that prevent our excessive blood bleeding from our body. There are 13 clotting factors which is responsible for blood clotting for prevent excessive blood from body. Now, First factor 1. Factor 1 is 5100. Factor 2, prothrombin. Factor 3, thromboplastin. Factor 4, calcium factor. Factor 5, Levy factor. Factor 6, 8 not defined. What is his name? And factor 7 is Stewart factor. Factor 8, anti-hemophilic factor. Factor 9, Bismuth factor. Factor 10, Stewart power factor. Factor 11, plasma thromboplastin factor. Exhausts PTA. Factor 12, Hagman factor. And factor 13, iodine stabilizing factor. Now let's put it. Thank you so much.